my way of editing. IPLs, no hate, special for 122 subscribers. Comment for my subscribers. Anyways, thank you
I'm
all.
just
This
saying,
meant so much to
BLA,
me.
BLA
And my
words.
dream is to become a YouTuber
So y'all don't
one
scroll?
day.
Okay,
So I'm doing
I'm
this
sorry
in
y'all
tutorial.
texting or saying.
Anyways,
I didn't have
are y'all
time to
having
download
fun?
it.
And y'all
I
have
have
an
an
idea.
idea.
Please
Please
don't
don't
know.
know. I didn't have
may
time.
just
Maybe
know
I'm
that
just
has
as
only one
orange
color
as
eye
I
like
like
pink
just-
two eyes.
anyways,
Anyway,
I
guys,
have
my
my
choice
choice
on
on
like
like
black
anyway,
and
that's
white.
why didn't I
Don't
think
know.
this? I don't know.
I
I
work
don't
hard.
even
You can
know
watch
how
my
to
life.
kind of
Y'all
awkward.
should do
Okay,
it.
I'm a
I'm
liar.
YouTuber.
It's awkward and not a
Please
bit.
don't hate, but it's really my videos now. I'm adding a Razia sign so y'all can know it's mine. Are you still satisfied? And
Anyways,
still
let me
is
find
it
some
okay
videos.
if I
You are
used other
already
people's
scrolling.
YouTubers or
Just only
TikTokers
this.
so y'all not get
This is
bored
my
while
fav vid
watching
of them.
Wala kang pera, ako meron.
Okay lang.
Bakit naman?
Ikaw!
Ano?
Oh, thank you very much! You know that I love chicken nuggets! Me too, Mama!
Taguan, maliwanag ang buwan. Huwag kang manloko para di ka iwan. Ay pinagpalit pero di masakit. Alam mo yung masakit? Ang pangit ng kabit. Sara, ingitera. Huwag kang mag-agaw, maghanap ka ng iba.
Fight after school! You got that?
You're gonna fight me after school.
That's right!
You're a chick, dude.
You're gonna fucking die! I'm finished! I'm finished! Fight after school! You got that?
You're gonna fight me after school.
That's right!
You're a chick, dude.
You're gonna